So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the M2, that is the Engineering Maths 2 chapter 1, that is FOODE, first order differential equation, which means F means first order ordinary differential equation. We will discuss that chapter today. So this will be the introduction part of the chapter. Later we will do the exercise. So let's see what is the differential equation. Okay, let's see what is the meaning of differential equation. DE means differential equation. So what is differential equation? Differential equation is, it is function in which independent or variables okay, it is a function in which the independent or dependent variables are stored, which means that the independent or dependent variables are stored, means the independent is y plus x, independent dx, independent dependent is dy by dx minus y equal to c. So y is a dependent. Okay, so this is meaning of means the differential equation. So y is dependent on x, so it is known as the dependent variable, and independence means like this: x y plus x dx equal to 0, equal to 1, equal to 2. Okay, so this is the meaning of differential equation. Moving on to the next part, which is the differential equation is divided into subcategories. Okay, what are those? So what are the subcategories of differential equation? We will see that now. Differential equation. First is ODE, ordinary differential equation. Okay, I am writing in short. Okay, so next is PDE, partial differential equation. Okay, next is the order, then is the degree. Okay, next is the general solution. Okay, so next is the solution of the differential equation. Differential equation. So these are the subcategory of that differential equation. There are more parts like particular differential equation, many more parts. Okay, so we will discuss all that parts. I am writing this also, particular differential equation. So these are the main category we will discuss in this video. So moving on to the first, that is ODE, ordinary differential equation. Okay, so what is the meaning of ordinary differential equation? Ordinary means that the function is having one or more than one variable in it. Okay, ODE, ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, so we will see the what is ordinary differential equation. Okay, so ordinary differential equation means one or more than one independent values. Okay. Okay, one or more than one independent values and their derivatives okay. So which means that ODE means the ordinary differential equation, means that the one or more than one independent values in that function and their derivatives. Okay, so we will see some example like number one is dy by dx plus x equal to 0. Example. Next is the dy by dx equal to cos x. Okay, now next will be dy by dx equal to tan inverse 2 by x. This is also a differential equation. Okay, or you can say 2x, don't write like this, 2x. Okay, simply 2x. And last is a dy by dx equal to 3x plus 2y plus 9 divided by 9 plus 10y plus 5x. This is also a differential equation. So one or more than the independent value, these all are independent values and their derivatives. So this is the derivative, this is known as the derivative part. So this is the ordinary differential equation. Then moving on to the next, which is the partial differential equation, PDE. Okay, PDE, which means the partial differential equation. Okay, PDE means partial differential equation. PDE, partial differential equation. Okay, so we will see the partial differential equation. So what is this means? This means that in this, what we have seen in ODE, we see that the ordinary differential equation we see that the one or more than one independent values, and now in this there will be dependent values. So one or more than one dependent values are there, along with their partial derivatives. Okay, we will see the partial derivatives later because it is an important part. Okay, so not teaching with respect to M2, I am saying the what is partial derivatives. Okay, so in partial derivative, this is the sign of partial derivatives, del x by del y or del y by del x. This del is known as the partial derivative term. This del is known as the partial derivative term. Okay, so this is the partial derivatives of any equation. So I will show you in this video only the how to solve that. If a question comes like that, xy in bracket with respect to x. Okay, so partial derivatives of xy will be, so we have seen this like this, x y in constant because we are taking first x and keeping y as constant, then plus taking y x as constant. So now you will going to see that in normal derivative dx by dx of xy will be, the answer will come like this, y plus x dy by dx, like this. Okay, but in this case what will happen, this term will be removed because it is not having, this term will be constant, total term will be constant for this, because it is, we are doing partial differentiation with respect to x, not with respect to y. Okay, so this term will be, this whole term will be constant, which means 0. So the partial derivatives will come as y only. Okay, this is the partial derivatives. Okay, so moving on to the chapter again. So partial differential equation means that one or more than one dependent values are there, okay, along with the partial derivatives. For example, del y by del x plus z cube equal to 0. I am taking random terms. Okay, example, del square y by del x square equal to c del square y by del x square. Okay, these are some kind of partial derivatives. Don't take x over here, take t. So these are partial derivatives of dependent values. This is dependent on this one. Okay, dependent value. So moving on to the next, which is the order. What do you mean by the order of a differential equation? Order means the what? Order means the highest derivative of an equation, which means I am showing you order. Okay, highest value of derivative, highest value of the derivatives. Okay, so we will see the order in this way, that del x by del dx by dy whole square plus y equal to 0. So what is the highest power of that derivative? It is 1, because over here 1. Okay, everything is 1. So give me a second, guys. So guys, we are discussing the order. So what is the highest power of that derivative? It is 1. So the order will be, order is 1. And here only I am discussing the degree. So degree means the highest value highest power of the derivative. Okay, so what is the highest power of the differential equation? Yes, it is 2. So the degree will be 2. Okay, so we have discussed the order and the degree also. Order means the highest value of the derivative, highest value, which means the 1. If I take what is the order? So order will be 2 over here. because the highest power of the differential equation is 2. And what will be the degree? So the degree will be 1 because the power is 1. Order is the highest value of that derivative, highest value, and the degree is the highest power of that derivative. Okay. So this is the difference between order and degree. Till now we have discussed about the differential equation, ODE, PDE, order and degree. So last 2 to 3 topics is remaining, we will discuss, and then tomorrow we will discuss the some numerical of this chapter. Okay. So moving on to the next topic, which will be the solution. Solution is a normal solution of that solution of differential equation. What we think of solution? It is simple. The result of differential equation means if a question comes like this, dy by dx equal to cos x. Okay, dy by dx equal to cos x. So what we will do? We will solve it by removing this dx to here. Okay, means that dy equal to cos dx. Now we will integrate both sides. Okay, integrating both sides, what will come? Y equal to sin x plus c with along with a constant, and this constant is known as the particular value of a differential equation. This constant is known as the particular value of the differential equation. Okay, so now this is the answer we have got. We got the answer. Okay, so this will be the general solution. In this solution of differential equation, we have the subdivision, that is the general solution, and particular solution of the differential, particular solution of the value of the differential equation. Particular solution, I am writing over here, slash the value of the differential equation. So this constant is known as the particular solution of the differential equation, and general, this is the general solution, y equal to sin x plus c. In general solution we will not have the derivatives. Okay, we will not have these derivatives. The derivative will be removed from the general solution. General solution means I am saying in my words. Okay, so in book it is written in different, I am saying in different, because we can generally say that the general solution is known as the removal of derivatives or the integration sign or derivative sign from that question. Okay, so we have removed this derivative sign with y, and this cos x will be sin x. Okay, not minus sign, because in derivative we got minus sign, so in integration this will be the reverse. Okay, so it will be sin x plus c. So in this we have seen that the general solution and particular solution. Okay, so we have covered all the theory of the FODE, which means the first order ordinary differential equation. We have covered all the theory which is important in this chapter. So we will discuss the numericals from tomorrow. So thank you for watching this video. Good night.